Welcome to Dr. Prachiti Punde's channel. Our today's topic is the victim triangle. As kids, many of us must have been pampered by our parents when we used to say that, oh mummy, I just can't write my homework today because my hand is hurting. बचपन में अक्सर हम माँ बाप को उल्लू बनाया करते थे कि आज मेरा हाथ दर्द कर रहा है, तो मम्मी बोलती थी हाँ ठीक है बेटा, हाथ दर्द कर रहा है तो आज मत करना होमवर्क, कल कर लेना। या फिर हम कुछ और बोलते थे कि मुझे ये हुआ है, देखो ना मुझे कैसे लगा यहाँ पे, तो फिर मम्मी पापा बोलते थे अरे मेरे बेटे को लग गया, अरे कैसे लगा तुम्हें, फिर हमारा लाड प्यार होता था। या फिर हमारे दोस्तों का, या फिर हमारे कुछ और रिश्तेदारों का जिन्हें हम जानते हैं। अगर कोई इन सिचुएशन में से चाइल्डहुड में गया है, इफ देर आर पीपल हु हैव गॉन थ्रू दीज pampering in the childhoods, most of the times they develop this victim mentality. Now what is victim mentality? We find many people who are running through this victim mentalities in their life, where they point out to people that, oh, I'm so helpless, I'm so much kind of a sufferer because she is wrong, he is wrong, he did me wrong, she did me wrong, the society is unjust, my parents are unjust, they did so I couldn't succeed in my life, so I couldn't grow up to a stage where I could have grown, so I couldn't do this, I couldn't do that. आपने बहुत बार बहुत सारी महिलाएं या कई पुरुषों को भी ऐसे देखा होगा जो विक्टिम मेंटालिटी से प्ले करते हैं, यानी वो खुद को विक्टिम्स मानते हैं। वो मानते हैं कि हम कितने दुखी हैं, हम कितने हेल्पलेस है, हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते, हमारे हाथों में क्या है, सब तो लोगों के हाथों में है, इन लोगों ने हमारे साथ बुरा किया, उन लोगों ने हमारे साथ बुरा किया, इन्होंने हमें ये नहीं दिया, इन्होंने हमें वो नहीं दिया, इनकी वजह से मैं जो बनना चाहती थी वो नहीं बन पाई, इनकी वजह से जो मैं करना चाहती थी वो मैं नहीं कर पाई। दे आर ऑलवेज इनटू ब्लेमिंग अदर्स एंड ब्लेमिंग सोसाइटी सो दैट दे कैन हाइड बिहाइंड देमसेल्व्स फॉर नॉट actually getting success in their life, for their failures, for their fears. उनके जो भी डर है या जो भी फीलिंग्स है लाइफ की, वो लोगों को बता के कि इनकी वजह से नहीं हुआ बता के वो खुद सुरक्षित रहते हैं, वो खुद सेफ जोन में रहना पसंद करते हैं। And when there is a victim, there has to be a prosecutor. A prosecutor is the one who is constantly a bad guy for them, a bad guy, a bad woman in their life. The prosecutor could be wife, spouse, husband, it could be the relatives, it could be the friends. There has to be a constant person for these victims to point out कि because of this I couldn't achieve my goals, because of this person. So the prosecutor is the bad guy. And when there is a prosecutor and there is a victim, there is a third person in the triangle who is a rescuer. So the rescuer has a very big role to play. Always these victims are search of these two people. The rescuer is the one who comforts the victim, who always pampers the victim कि हाँ बेटा तुम्हारे साथ ये हो रहा है, मैं समझ सकती हूँ तुम कितना झेल रही हो, तुम कितनी दुखी हो, and they keep on pampering that I can understand how much you are suffering. So the rescuers are the enablers, they are the healers, the rescuers, the pain relievers, the people who hide the faults of these victims, and so the victims keep them on a pedestal. And ultimately, when the dependency is increased, the rescuer can make these victims dependent upon them. But the rescuers can't last long because the victims' minds have been conditioned in such a way that after a certain while the rescuer will also seem to be a bad guy for them. They will find the rescuer also as a prosecutor. यानी क्या कि जब कुछ दिनों बाद ये रेस्क्यूअर उनकी मदद करना चाहते हैं या फिर उनके फॉल्ट्स छुपाना चाहते हैं, वो उनकी आदत बन जाती है, तो रेस्क्यूअर उनको डिपेंडेंट बना देता है। पर कुछ ही दिनों बाद, क्योंकि विक्टिम्स के माइंड बचपन से ही कंडीशनड हो चुके हैं, उनकी वो आदत बन चुकी है, तो वो किसी को भी अपने लाइफ में लाएंगे तो कुछ दिनों के लिए ही एज अ रेस्क्यूअर देख पाएंगे। थोड़े ही दिनों बाद वो रेस्क्यूअर भी उनके लिए प्रोसिक्यूटर यानी बैड गाय बन जाता है। तो विक्टिम्स ऑपरेट फ्रॉम अ कंडीशनड माइंडसेट मेंटालिटी ऑफ सीइंग पीपल एज द प्रोसिक्यूटर। Victim mentality mindset peoples are habitually conditioned to look at people as the prosecutors. Even the rescuer becomes the prosecutor after a short while. This is because whenever the people help them, they are good guys for them and the rescuers for them. But if the people fail at times not to help them or console them, then immediately they become the prosecutors for the victims. So the victim mindset mentality people hide their faults, they hide their failings of the life behind these scenes. So friends, it is very easy to operate from the victim mindset mentality. Either you must be operating from a victim mindset mentality or people around you must be operating from this mindset mentality. Beware of such people, because if you try and rescue such people, they will consider you as the prosecutor in long term. Instead, find them, try to convince and console them and make them understand this victim triangle, because the victim person has to be cured by asking them to take their own responsibilities, for their own decisions that they have been making in their life, the responsibility of their faults, the responsibility of their failings in life, and it is a long process where life coaches can help. So friends, there's a question for you. Do you remember any hurt, any trauma, any bullying that you have had in the past? What mindset mentality are you operating from? Beware friends, be aware. Be aware of your mindset mentalities. Never operate from the victim mindset mentality or the social dependency triangle that I have recently told you. If you find any relative, any family member, any person, your friend or through the inner circle operating from this mindset mentality, do try and educate them. If you are not able to do so, send them to a life coach or send me in the comment section below. Life is very beautiful. Operate out of all these three mindsets and take care.